Auditing is a globally recognized practice that ensures organizations comply with quality, safety, and regulatory standards. Two key international auditing standards guide organizations in conducting effective audits. 1 ISO 19011 Guidelines for Auditing Management Systems. 2 ISO 17025, the standard for testing and calibration laboratories. Understanding these standards helps auditors perform consistent, reliable, and professional audits across various industries. Let's explore each in detail. 1 ISO 19011 Guidelines for Auditing Management Systems. ISO 19011 provides principles, guidelines, and best practices for auditing management systems such as ISO 91 Quality, ISO 1401 Environment, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety. It applies to internal, external, and supplier audits. Key elements of ISO 1911: audit principles, integrity, fair presentation, due professional care, and evidence-based auditing. Managing an audit program, establishing audit objectives, scope, and frequency. Conducting audits, planning, execution, reporting, and follow-up. Competence of auditors, defining the skills and qualifications required for effective auditing. 2. ISO 1725, Quality Standard for Testing and Calibration Laboratories. ISO 1725 is the global benchmark for laboratories performing testing and calibration. It ensures that labs produce accurate, consistent, and reliable results, making it essential for industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and environmental science. Key requirements of ISO 1725. Competence of lab personnel, ensuring staff are properly trained and qualified. Equipment calibration and maintenance, using precise, well-maintained instruments. Test method validation, confirming that testing methods produce accurate results. Traceability of measurements, ensuring results are linked to international measurement standards. Quality management system, maintaining documentation, audits, and continuous improvement processes. Key takeaways. ISO 19011 provides guidelines for auditing management systems, ensuring consistency and effectiveness across industries. ISO 17025 sets quality standards for laboratories, ensuring accurate and reliable test results. Both standards help organizations enhance credibility, improve processes, and meet international requirements. Understanding and applying these standards is essential for auditors conducting quality, compliance, and laboratory audits. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to plan and conduct a successful audit using these standards.